Crack-a-lackin', ladies and gentlemen. This your boy, Damien Dupee, #1 off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on the infill lots, water and sewer access. Today, we're going to be coming to you with a live video. This was requested by some members on how to fill out an assignment agreement. I will show you how to do this step by step, line upon line, precept upon precept. If you could be so kind, go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button, turn on that notification bell so you will not miss any epic wild content going forward. I'm still on a mission to help 1,000+ people do their first land deal. So if you know anybody trying to get in the game, please send them my way. We Are Land Specialists Facebook group, We Are Land Specialists YouTube. And I will be ever so kind to bless their socks off with epic wild content. If you're looking for opportunities and you want to come out and connect, I am starting to meet up. It will be in Charlotte, North Carolina. I will put the link in the description. The first meetup will be September the 24th, which is a Friday, 6 to 8 p.m. Okay, come check me out. Definitely don't want to miss it. It's going to be my first grand opening, if you will. If you want to learn how to do these deals, partner with your boy. That's what I highly recommend. It's going to shorten your learning curve. It's going to take a lot of the guesswork out. The JV portal is wide open. If you want to know my hunting criteria, the link is in the description. And if you want to submit a deal to your boy, the link is in the description. I do have free resources. I have a free course on Udemy. It's called Off Market Land Specialist. Free cheat sheets. Definitely take advantage of this free content. And don't forget to subscribe once again. Last but not least, if you want to email me, my email is right here at the bottom. Contact me anytime. You can email me any questions, any concerns. Without further ado, I'm going to be talking about how to do an assignment agreement. First, let me break down what is an assignment agreement and why you need to use an assignment agreement. Assignment agreement is an agreement between a wholesaler, which would be us in this instance, and a buyer. And basically what we're doing is assigning them the interest of our assignable contract. That's why if you're wholesaling, your contracts need to have your company name, your name, and or assigns. Very, very critical, ladies and gentlemen, that your contract has and or assigns. That basically allows you to assign the contract to an end buyer. I will show you what I'm using to do my assignments. Actually, I won't show you, but I do use a service called Pebble, and basically all my templates are in here. And basically, it just merges all the fields when I put them in there, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of my community will not be using Pebble. Pebble is basically for direct mail, postcards, etc. It is almost like a CRM as well, but it's not built out all the way. However, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend you use something called Rabbit Sign or Dotloop or Google some type of free electronic signature, and you want to create a template. I'm going to show you how to do this from a template, how to do an assignment. And basically what's very, very important is the assignment is how much you're assigning it for and the terms you want to close, and of course the buyer's name. Okay, so without further ado, it's very, very easy to create templates. There is plenty of tutorials to show you how to do it. I use DocuSign. However, I might not be using DocuSign for long because I just got this email from them, and basically they saying that thank you for using DocuSign, but your annual subscription is coming up and it's $300, which is $25 a month. Again, I'm not knocking DocuSign, but one of my students bought one of my members bought Rabbit Sign. Shout out to Yoshika. Appreciate you for looking out for the cookout, always adding value to the community. Rabbit Sign seems to be very user friendly. You can create unlimited templates, send unlimited documents. So this seems like this would suffice for $300 a month. So again, DocuSign might not be getting my dodo for show. Okay, so again, if you can see my screen, you should be able to see my screen. Assignment agreement, you can upload as many. I highly recommend you do not fill these out by hand, ladies and gentlemen, because then you got to scan them and then send them, and then Do a template, ladies and gentlemen. Make it a PDF. Do a template. Upload the template. I can show you what it looks like. This is just basically a template, ladies and gentlemen. All this is a PDF template, okay? That's all it is. It's a PDF template. If you don't know how to save a document as a PDF, all you got to do is file, save as, and change the format to PDF, okay? You upload this template, and then you merge the fields. So if I want to use this, which I'm going to use this, I'm going to put my name, and I'm going to put my name again. All right, before you click send, you want to go to edit. If you wanted to add more people, there's always a field to add multiple people. You can add 10 people, 20 people, 30 people. I mean, you can add as many people as you want to, okay? All right. So go to edit. This is how you edit the contract. It's saying a blank assignment agreement. Always check the signing order. You might want the client to sign first, then you sign. You can drag and drop this either way. I always sign first. All right. So basically, you just click on it. And you may say, how did I get these fields here? So on the template, all I did was drag the text fields and put them right there. That's all I did on the template. So property address, 123. Are you looking at me? 123. Why you looking at me? Street. Let's go with Buford, Alabama. Alabama. No, Alabama. I don't even know the zip code to Buford. It probably ain't even no Buford. You heard me. Purchase price. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the purchase price. It's not the purchase price you got it for. It's the purchase price you selling it for. Okay. So if you got the property for 15 and you selling it for 20, that's a $5,000 assignment. You understand me? Due diligence. Please, 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 please. If you are new to the game, please make people put up a non-refundable deposit. People will play with you out here. Don't let them play with you. You don't need earnest money. If you can get $500 from them, get it. Because what happens is a lot of people, when they put up a non-refundable deposit, it will help them not change their mind so easily when they want to back up out of a deal. Okay, so if somebody play with you and you got $1,000 deposit, then that's $1,000 they lost. Okay, and you can still sell that contract to somebody else. Due diligence for NA. Due diligence is an inspection period. That's all that means. So if you got a 30-day close, okay, and you want to give them, let's just say they want a 21-day due diligence, you will put 21 days here, okay? That's what due diligence is. It's an inspection period. It means that they're paying $1,000, you know, for, I guess, 21 days to inspect the property, okay? Closing date, put right around the corner. Actually, you would put a date here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just having a little fun here. Got to make it interesting. All right, so you can spell out, let's just say $1,000 should be paid as DD is due diligence to Creators Land Solutions. You want to put a date. Make them pay how they weigh the date that they sign your piece of paper. You understand? I said make them pay how they weigh. If they weigh 200, just do 200 times 5. Nah. You just want to start at $1,000 due diligence. And if you can get 5, get 5. But try to get some non-refundable deposit, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to do this. You want them to close yesterday because you need your money. You can leave that blank. All right, boom. This is how you assign the fields. And then you just go to the next. Very, very easy, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very, very easy. Okay. What's important is the property address. If you're doing vacant land and it does not have the property address, you want to do the street address, city, state, zip, and you want to do what we call the APN or the partial ID number. Please, please put that on your contract and your assignment. Partial ID or your APN. Partial ID or your APN. Okay. That's about it. All right. Again, take advantage of. If I had to recommend anything, it would be Rabbit Sign. I haven't used them yet, but just from the looks of it, it looks very, very user friendly. I like how they got the templates right here, where you can create templates, and I love it. It's free 99. Okay, unlimited templates. So if you haven't heard of Rabbit Sign, please thank Yoshika. She is an admin in my group, and she does a lot of she adds a lot of value by sharing a lot of stuff with us. And I really, really appreciate her. Shout out to Yoshika. Thank you, ma'am. You are a blessing. You understand? I pray that it be, uh, uh, I pray your cup runneth over. You understand? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you. Again, go ahead if you haven't subscribed by now. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and drop something in the comments. A like, a smiley face, a thumbs up, upside down face. No, don't do that. But yeah, go ahead and drop something in the comment. I love the people. If you found any value from this, dot loop. I don't think it's free 99 anymore, ladies and gentlemen. I do apologize about the last video. It was free once upon a time, but again, that was a couple years ago when I used it. I think they do give you a free trial, but let's scratch that and just rock with Rabbit Sign. All right. Again, I'm still on a mission to help 1,000+ people do their first land deal. My goal is to look out for the cookout. I want to bless. I believe it's better to give than receive. So if you know anybody trying to get in the game, please shoot them my way. We are land specialists on YouTube, free Facebook group. Important announcement. I am launching a course. It will be $9.97. Okay. It will be thebomb.com. I'm putting together now. It's a lot of work than I expected, but I do want to over deliver, and I do want to add valuable content to the community. So be looking out for that. It will be coming out January 2022. Again, if you find any value from my content and you may be interested in the course, check me out. Definitely will appreciate your love. If not, you can keep learning for free. Earn while you learn. All right. So thank you for your time and consideration. I appreciate each and every one of you. Salute.